Welcome to the Stress Free Naturally podcast. Find your groove naturally with your host, Ashley Pappas.
Hello and welcome to Stress Free Naturally. I'm your host, Ashley Pappas. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about family. It's that time of year again where there are lots of family activities, and if we're not careful, it can be so easy to just get so wrapped up with and intertwined with our family members, and it can be an extra stressful time of year. Now, don't get me wrong, we love our families, but there can be a lot of judgment, there can be a lot of opinions, a lot of unsolicited advice, the way that we feel about their life situations and the way that they might feel about ours. They might not always align. And so in today's meditation, we're going to be detaching with love. We're going to be taking just a few minutes to really be able to honor and respect our family members as they are, while still honoring and respecting ourselves. So before we begin, make sure to find some place where you can be quiet and free from distraction for the duration of this meditation. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your body become full of air, feeling more relaxed. And then slowly release the breath through your mouth, letting go of any stress or any tension that you may have carried with you through the day. Feeling as you become more and more relaxed. Taking another deep breath in through your nose, feeling as your lungs become full of air, feeling as your belly expands, feeling as your body starts to loosen up and your muscles relax. And then releasing the breath through your mouth, feeling as your belly flattens and as the warm air passes your lips. Becoming more and more relaxed, letting go of any worries from the day. And then taking a deep breath in through your nose, feeling as the clothing shifts upon your skin, feeling as your belly rises and you become more relaxed and more at peace. And then letting the breath go through your mouth, slowly releasing the air, feeling as your worries and your stress and any tension slip away. And as you take another deep breath in, imagine a family member standing in front of you. This is a family member that encountering them is usually quite stressful. And as they stand before you, you can feel the love and respect that you feel for one another. But you notice that there is a cord that attaches that family member to you. And in this cord is all of the judgment, all of the opinions, emotions, all of those negative feelings and attributes and behaviors that are between you both. Everything that imposes upon one another is contained within that cord. And somehow it developed without you even realizing it. And this cord is what intertwines you both and entangles you in any of the messy and negative feelings that have been created needlessly. And as you notice this cord, imagine a white, powerful, loving light gently floating in and coming directly between you and your family member and passing through the cord. And as it passes through the cord, this glowing light full of love and warmth, it severs the cord. And once the cord is severed, you're able to release any of those negative feelings. They slip away. Any of the judgments or any of the opinions just vanish. And you feel an even deeper love and respect for this family member. And without the cord there anymore, you're able to identify them as a separate entity, no longer entangled in your emotions and in your feelings. And you're able to look at them with love and acknowledge and honor their quirks and their attributes and everything that is them, and understand that each of those pieces is theirs, just like everything that makes you up is yours. And you have a new understanding that any of their actions or behaviors or even their words are not a reflection upon you at all. And you're able to take a deep breath and feel deeper love and even more relaxed and at peace. And breathing out, you let go of any of the stress and tension and any of the anxiety that's come in the past from encountering this family member, letting it simply slip away. As you breathe in, you feel peaceful and you feel strength and love for this family member. You feel renewed peace and warmth towards them. As you breathe out, your body feels more relaxed and you feel more in peace this cord attaching you to this family member, you're more able to accept them as they are without having to attach your own feelings and beliefs and judgments to them. You're able to acknowledge and respect that they have all of those things on their own. And the purpose of the love between you two is simply to enjoy one another. Taking another deep breath in, feeling as the clothing shifts upon your skin, feeling the way that the air feels on your skin. You become even more relaxed. You feel even more love. And as you breathe out, your body becomes looser. It becomes more free. It becomes lighter. And as you continue to breathe, you feel free. You feel warmth and love washing over your body. You feel respect towards your family member, and you feel a new confidence in the relationship that you share. And when you're ready, slowly wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes, bringing awareness back into your body. Shrug your shoulders up and down, waking up your body. And when you're ready, open your eyes. And as you go about your day, anytime that you feel like there is an unhealthy cord attaching you to a family member or anyone else really, just revisit this simple meditation to be able to detach with love. If you have enjoyed this meditation, make sure that you subscribe to Stress Free Naturally on iTunes. And I would greatly appreciate your support through leaving a short review as well with a rating of 4 stars or higher. Namaste.
This has been a Calm Clear Now Network production. Executive producer Shell Hamilton. To discover more meditation, visualization, and affirmation podcasts like this one, visit calmclearnow.com.